And what you're looking at here are tracks from the runaway mine train. Yeah. This is the first roller coaster to be put up here at Six Flags over Texas. And this is actually the first roller coaster that I've been on. You see here's a train right here. Just got done with this course. Pretty good ride. It's kind of long. There's 3 lift hills on it. Can't really see the lift hills because they're pretty much hidden in the trees. One cool thing about Runaway Mine Train, way over there, that is a saloon. Just as you go to the 3rd lift hill, you go into there, and then you come across a big drop. You actually drop right under into the water, into a underground tunnel, which goes underwater, and you exit out right here. And at the end of the ride, I think that's the best part of the Runaway Mine Train. So there you have it, Runaway Mine Train. It's kind of hard to see, it's pretty much hidden in the trees. Of course there's Superman. Now let's head over to Shockwave.